About this item in the box, 6-foot mini DisplayPort to DisplayPort cable convenient, transmits audio and video from computer or tablet to HD display audio/video, seamless audio for uncompressed digital 7.1, 5.1, or 2 channels, supports video resolutions up to 4K x 2K durable design, gold-plated connectors, bare copper conductors, and foil and braid shielding for strength and reliable connectivity. User-friendly, easy grip treads for a secure hold, low-profile design. SPECIFICATIONS, compliant to version 1.2 specs, works with DP, DP++, and DisplayPort++. Note, the cable is not bidirectional, it can only convert signal from mini DisplayPort to DisplayPort NOTE. This product is not compatible with Type-C, does not support Thunderbolt 3/ is not compatible with MacBook Pro, 2016 or later, MacBook Air, 2018 or later, iMac, 2017 or